Yo, shout out to the Cavs. Are they still making Cavs gear, or is like that's out of production? Asking for a friend. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the White Man Garden, and we are back. Brand new episode, ATF. And that is all things flying in today's episode. Man, I remember like around like the Christmas time. I can't remember when these came out, but I really thought these were gonna be an easy cop for me, man, and I wound up not being able to get them. I remember there sitting there, my homie told me he had the plug on them, so when it came up on the sneakers app, I ain't even try because I thought I was good. Then 3 minutes later, he shot me the text and said, oh, I couldn't get them, and I was hurt. Man, I was hurt. I really loved them, and a couple of weeks ago, I was able to scoop these up. So now I'm bringing them to you so you can be just as excited as I am. Can you feel the energy? Can you feel the energy? Anyway, let's get into it. As you can tell by this box right here, you probably already know what it is. A little throwback cop. Ain't even a Thursday, but we got a throwback cop right here for you. You have the mic with the Thunderbolt replacing the eye. So you already know what we got. A Gatorade Jordan. Which means you probably already know what it is, because if you've seen these by now, you know that the ones don't come in this box. So I might as well tell you, this is a pair of Jordan 6s. Oh yeah, one of my favorite silhouettes. Must be cop, must be done, and I got them in hand. Now before we open it up and see, let's see what the tag says. On our tag we have a size 10 in pine green something, oh yeah, that's in Spanish. I really gotta stop trying to read the Spanish part. I'll be looking crazy. But yeah, Air Jordan Retro 6 NRG grade something and some other shit. But anyway, let's open this box and see what we got. And as we peel open this box, you will see our GOAT stamp of approval. Now I think I have read this card out maybe 3 times on this channel, so we're not gonna read this card out anymore. Thank you, GOAT. We appreciate the love. And we have our towel. Yes, another Gatorade towel because I gave mine away, so I definitely wanted another one. I might actually just start taking this to work with me, man. This thing is dope. Great job, Jordan. Great job, Gatorade, man. I love this thing. I really do. As we peel back that kind of water drip or sweat or whatever the hell you think it is, and the Be Like Mike at the top, we have our another piece of paper, and we have our Jordan Gatorade 6. Now, man, oh man, you talk about excited to have this shoe. I really freaking wanted this shoe. I never really got to see it on anyone's foot around me. I mean, I don't live in a big sneaker area anyway, but I never seen it on anyone's foot. So I gotta say it lived up to the bill, because I was a little worried. Every time I get hyped on a sneaker and I get it, I'm just always like, man, I don't know if it really lived up to it. But anyway, if you didn't know, I believe it was the 1995 or 96 MJ Gatorade commercial. Don't really remember the year. I am not a history major, so let me live. Yeah, that's just what this is based off of, that commercial. You have your little Gatorade lock on there, and then on the inside, on the B-roll, you can see it says "If I Could Be," because the theme song on it was like, I could be like my, you know, if I could be like my, you know, you all know I'm not a good singer. Yeah, and then it's wrapped in this pine green, as you have your new buck wrapping it all the way around, your satin on the tag right there, and you got your extra white shoelaces. Really should have came with some orange ones. Don't know, I mean, I wouldn't wear the orange ones either, but don't know who in the hell would ever wear these white ones, and they look a little dirty. Like, what the hell? What if this seller like took the white shoelaces out and put like his dirty ones in here? Like, you gotta get over it somehow. You know, on the bottom you have your orange Jumpman right there. On the back it's solid green right there. I mean, it's nice. It's the same. Like, it's just like the infrared 6. You replace the black with green and you replace the infrared with like a bright orange. It's pretty much what you get. But I appreciate this. That theme was one of the better themes that have come out in a while. Like, most of the time these themes seem so forced. This was the best little theme I've seen since like the Shattered Backboards one. Like, it was really well done, man. It was based off something everybody knew, and plus there's never been a Jordan in this colorway. Along with those Jordan 1s, those colorways were sick, and the fact that they even attempted to do that, like, well done, Jordan brand. You all did a good job. Don't always do a good job, but today you all did great. Very happy to have my pair. It's been a long time coming, but a change has come. Anyway, it's been your boy, the White Man Garden. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know the slogan, GMG, we do what we do, and I am out.